National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Morris County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Morristown until 1:30 p.m. At 12:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Morristown and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Parsippany, East Hanover, and 6 miles southeast of Rockaway around 12:40 p.m. Boonton and Mountain Lakes around 12:45 p.m. 8 miles southeast of Lake Telemark around 12:50 p.m. Lincoln Park around 12:55 p.m. Pequannock Township and Kinnelon around 1 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's greatest killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following county: Morris County, New Jersey.